PVR Vishwodaya Institute of Technology and Science proudly presents a mini drafter aptly named as Viswo Draft.
Good morning. The mini drafter is being in use since last 3 decades for making the engineering drawings. Before that, one instrument called T-square is in force. The mini drafter, after its invention, has replaced the T-square, and mini drafter has become more convenient to draw. But nowadays, the students, engineering students were increased, and the drawings were unable to complete in the class. Whatever the work remained to do at home, the mini drafter is not able to be used at home as it requires a drawing table. At the same time, the parallax errors are coming up with the mini drafter, and students are not able to use it properly for setting the angles. Keeping this difficulty in view, our students and our department faculty have thought of developing a new instrument as a replacement for the mini drafter. Maybe a replacement or a substitute for the mini drafter. So this drafter was developed to draw the polygons, circles or ellipses and isometric views, that's the three-dimensional projections, very easily and comfortably than mini drafter. Good morning. The instrument whatever was developed, designed and developed indigenously in our campus with the help of faculty and 4 of the final-year engineering students has given a tremendous response for right from the school children to the practicing engineers. It is very compact and it's very simple as a set square, and having all the features as a mini drafter, nothing but scales, protractor, set squares and pro circle. All are there. In addition to that, isometric scale, isometric axes are incorporated, and with the help of the formula given, even ellipses can be drawn by using 4 center method. So very handy instrument, cost effective and lightweight, and easy to produce. And every student can take this just for a cost of 30 rupees instead of 300 rupees spending on mini drafter and handling it very care. So this instrument, as it is in very small size, just you can feel it as a micro drafter, and it was named as Viswo Draft by showing the gratitude towards the college where our students have studied, that is Vishwodaya Institute of Technology and Science. So the project, the instrument was named as Viswo Draft. So right from the school children to diploma students, ITI students, diploma students, engineering students and any other working engineers can operate this, use this very comfortably and very easily. The live demonstration is being given by our students who made this, designed the Viswo Draft, then they designed the mold for this, and they have prepared the mold and tested, then printed and successfully demonstrated. So our students will explain how to use this instrument. Thank you.
Hi, this is P. Ashok Reddy from 4th year Mechanical Engineering from PVR Vishwodaya Institute of Technology and Science. This is Arunachalam. This is a prototype we had all over. This is called as a Viswo Draft. This is used for demonstration purpose on the blackboard for the students. We have get an experience from them, and we have developed more features included in them in this. Now, this is called a Viswo Draft, which we have made. This is used for the engineering drawing applications. We have demonstrated by using this on the blackboard in front of the students. In actual practice, this much of size was not required. So we have developed in a 1:4 size, and this is the size of the actual Vishwa draft which we have made by using the injection molding process. The raw material which we have used is the polystyrene for a good transparent and accuracy. For a good transparent, we have made a die on CNC milling machine for a good accuracy. The remaining terms will be explained by my batchmate Arunachal.
This is actual Vishwa draft. What are the features content I will explain. We have what are the features? What are the features we have? First one is protector. No need of extra protector. No need of extra protector. And we have one horizontal scale and vertical scales and angles for polygons. What are the polygons we have used? Regular greens, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon, and pentagon. Now first we draw first polygon is triangle. Triangle angle is 60 degree. We have provided 60 degree from here. So take this one as a reference and draw one line, these two, and you may get the triangle. And next one is square. Square ultimately we get 90 degree. So we ultimately get 90 degree. So square will be developed. And next one is pentagon. Pentagon is 108 degree. Here we have provided 108 degree. Here we have provided 108 degree. Take this one as reference and take here you will draw easily by pentagonal. And next one is hexagonal. Here we provide 120 degree, so you will get hexagonal easily. And the next one is heptagonal. Heptagonal is not used in, so we go through the octagonal. Octagonal angle is 135 degree. Take this one as reference and we get 135 here, so you will get easily octagonal. And next purpose is isometric views, 3D views. So 3D views means 30-30. Here we provided 120 degree. So the isometric box is get easily. And next one is pro circles. Pro circles is no need of extra, no need of compass, and it is very useful in small circles such as 10 degree, 12 degree, 10 mm and 12 mm and 22 mm, 24 we are provided, and 18 mm also we are provided. This is and parallel and easy to construct parallel also. Now I am going to explain by using this Vishwa draft how to use engineering drawing.
Let us draw a triangle. This is a triangle of a equilateral triangle with a 160 degrees. Now by using a Vishwa draft we can draw it within a 30 seconds or less than 30 seconds. First we have to take a reference line. That is a base, nothing but a base line. And this is a 60 degrees. By keeping this line as a reference line, we can construct a triangle. And next polygon is a square. This is a square which have 90 degrees. By using this, we have provided here a L shape. And this is a perpendicular angle. By using this Vishwa draft, you can draw it with a accurate and very easy. This is a square which we can draw very easy by using this Vishwa draft. And the pentagon, to draw a pentagon, it will take more than 2 or 3 minutes with a mini drafter. By using this Vishwa draft, we can draw within 1 or 2 minutes. And this is a pentagon angle, that is 108 degrees. This is a pentagon angle, this is 108 degrees. And let's take a reference line. And from here we have provided 108 degrees, which is the interior angle of a pentagon. And taking this as a reference line, draw a similar lines for all these. Similarly, we can generate a pentagon. And the next polygon is a hexagon, which is having a 60 degrees on each side, and we can draw it easily. And here we can provide it a 120 degrees. That means half of it is a 60 degrees. We can draw within 1 minute with one view. We can draw 2 angles, 2 sides at one side. Take this as a reference line, similar to previous polygons. these are the polygons which we can draw by using this Viswa draft easily and very accurate. And next are parallel lines. The main use of the mini draft is a parallel line mechanism. It can be mostly used for a drawing of a parallel lines. By using this Viswa draft, we can draw easily. That is, by taking only a reference line with the hidden lines. And for drawing a horizontal parallel lines, take this vertical line as a reference line, and we can make a parallel lines wherever you want. These are the parallel lines by horizontal parallel lines we can draw by using this. Similarly, we can draw the vertical parallel lines for inclination angles. For inclination, we can also draw a parallel lines by using this Viswa draft. For example, we can draw for a 30 degrees inclination parallel lines. Take a reference line here and draw a similar parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. The isometric views and the ellipse we can be explained by my friend Arnachalam.
Now I am going to explain how to use this Viswa draft by isometric box. This is your isometric box. Once you get the isometric box, the engineering drawing isometric view, all isometric views are drawn. First of all, take anyone as reference and put this on to this line. Here provided 30-30, so this angle is 120. And rotate this one and keep. Take this one as reference and you will draw the vertical line. And take this one as reference line and keep this one is for this. Once you get the isometric box, you can draw any engineering drawing. And one more application is there, that is 4 center method ellipse. 4 center method ellipse is, first you can draw 30-30 for. Suppose 4 center method is used for in isometric view the circle is in ellipse shape, so we go through the 4 center method. The 4 center method is easily drawn by using this mini drafter. Here we provide 30-30, so suppose you can draw 40 mm of a circle. First you can draw 40 lines and take half of the circles and join this one to this. By taking compass, you can draw this one as center and this one as arc. You can draw by arc and take this one as center and this one as radius and you can draw one more arc. And next one is this one as center and this one is radius and take one more arc. Similarly, this one as center and this one as radius, you can draw another arc. You can draw ellipse by using this Viswa draft. I and myself, Ashok Reddy. Thank you for watching this video.